Now again, children, I am here with the numerical section. I'm going to take this is the last video from national income chapter, and we'll take over here again some numerical session, we can say numerical session. This time we'll see mixed questions. Mixed question in the sense question from each and all section, like income method, value-added method, and expenditure method. Okay, so first numerical I will take from value-added method. First example from value-added method. Alright, first method I am taking value-added method. Okay, value-added method. In this method, one example I am taking over here. Example 1 says one question I am taking: calculate net value added at factor cost. Okay, net value added at factor cost. Data is given there. Items I am taking over here, and rupees in lakhs. Okay, so first thing I am taking, this is a subsidy. Amount is 40. Second I am taking sales, and amount is again 800. Third, depreciation, means in short we can say DAP. Its amount is 3030. And fourth is I am taking exports. In exports, amount I am taking 100. And fifth I am taking closing stock. Amount I am taking over here 20. And sixth I am taking opening stock. Amount I am taking 50. And intermediate consumption, now I can write intermediate consumption, IC, amount I will take 500. And next is eighth data I am taking purchase of machinery for own use. Purchase of machinery own use, for own use. Amount is 200 I am taking. And last I am taking import of raw material, and its amount I will write 60. Alright children, this is our data given below. So now for the solution, now see the things we need to find out: net value added at factor cost. We need to calculate net value added at factor cost. Even then, value added method is denoted as GDP-MP. Okay, so children, first of all we need to write or calculate GDP-MP. Okay, Later on we will balance the value. First we calculate GDP at MP, and its formula, as you know, that sales plus change in stock minus intermediate consumption. Okay, so the value of sales is given here. Amount of sales, you can see it is 800, so we will consider 800 plus delta stock. Instead of delta stock, it is given closing stock and opening stock, so we'll take these two values. Okay, so closing stock, first I am taking closing stock, closing stock plus opening stock. I'm writing over here like this. In this way you can understand what the values I need to calculate. Now last is the minus intermediate consumption. So 800 as it is plus closing stock, amount of closing stock is 20 given. Okay, under bracket, sorry I am written over here summation, but closing minus opening stock it is. Okay, so closing stock amount is given 20 and opening stock amount is given 50, minus 50, and minus intermediate consumption amount is given 500. Alright, so its value will be this, and 20 minus 50, we can write 20 minus 50 minus 30, so minus plus minus, minus 30 will be here and minus 500. Okay, I hope so there will be no doubt. So 800 or minus 530, 800 minus 530, the value will be 800 270, it will be, amount is 270, 800 and the summation of these 530 and the difference of these 270. So this is GDP at MP. Okay, now we need to calculate net value added at factor cost. We need to calculate now, and we at FC. So the value is given GDP at MP. We need to calculate it. Gross to net, we need to go gross to net minus depreciation. And DP, this is NBA, or we can say NVA or NDP FC. Okay, so DP is balanced, NVA is also known as NDPFC. Okay, so NG is converted into N, so minus subtract, DP is DP balanced, MP to FC, we need to change MP into FC, minus NIT. Okay, so amount of GDP MP is 270, minus depreciation, how much was given? Depreciation, the amount was given 30, so we'll write the value of depreciation 30. Okay, and NIT means in IT minus subsidies, so IT is not given here, so we'll take only subsidies, 800. Okay, so the value of depreciation, it was 30, and NIT value is given, not given. IT is 0, minus subsidies is 40. Subsidies, how much is given, let me see. Yeah, subsidy is 40. See, the first value is 40, so subsidy I am writing over here 40. Okay, when we open bracket, it's minus 30 minus minus plus ka 40. So our total answer will be 280. The difference of this will be plus 10, answer will be 280. Okay, so 270, and the difference of these two plus 10, so summation of these 280. So our NVA at FC will be this amount. Okay children, this is our answer. My voice is maybe slightly less, but I hope so there will be any problem you will ask to me by chat box or WhatsApp. Thank you.